Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and make friends in Roblox. So if you are new, you go to Play Store, then you type Roblox, then you press install. And once it's installed, you press open. And then this is how Roblox looks like. If you're a starter, you may see there's this sign up button, means that you're a starter. If you know your password and username, means you log in. So after you've done all of that, you see all of these things like games and your character. And once you come in, you can see the down line there, and you go to this human place, and as you see, there's customize and shop. Well, you don't want to go to shop if you don't have Roblox, so you go to customize. So this is how I look like in Roblox. And if you would like to, you can just go to anything you like characters. Wait, you don't have characters. So if you go to body, well, if you want to save, you just press this, and then you can name your outfit, and then you can save it, and then you can wear whatever you want. Just look at my old one. Anyways, moving on, this is body section. You have skin, hair, head, faces, torsos, right arms, left legs, body style. Body style, you can pick whatever you want. There's like a lot. I choose that one. So there is clothing next. And that's where you get the t-shirts, the pants, the hats. And then you could go to animation. Pretty much. I don't do this, so yeah. So like, you guys could just go to animation, and then you can like see how you fall, see how you jump, see how you run, see how you walk, see. Wait, what's this? Okay, I don't like it. Alright. And then you go to emotes. You can see like hi. You can go like that. You can this is, and then you don't really know about anything, but I like to do this one. So after you're done customizing, you swipe up, and then it has that loading button thing, and then it knows that your character is like that already. And after you're done with that, if you want any friends, you just press add friends. Then you could type anybody's username that you want to be friends with. And then if you want to make more friends in another way, you just choose any game you want, like Simon Says, Pastries Bakery, Adopt Me. So my favorite game is Adopt Me, and so I'm gonna show you the way on how to make friends. Okay, you see this tree line button there? You go there, and then it says add friends on the players, right? So that means you could add their friend, but they have to accept it first. So I guess that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications, and comment down below what videos you want to do next. Oh, and my next video is going to be Adopt Me, and hope I see you there. Bye!